Alright. Nature. I've been here one time, like a few minutes ago. Short pants might get ticks. I don't really care. I'm gonna pull them right off. I check every time I get the chance, so I should be fine. People over there. There's some bugs I want to show y'all too. Oh, whoa. Whoa, okay, I almost fell. Oh, bugs, look at them. Don't know what they are. If you know what they are, put them in the comments. I don't know what they are. Swimming up above the water in big clumps. Look like jelly beans. Kinda. Some right here. Closer look. I could probably go over there. Okay. I'll go over there. Whatever that is, I don't know. Yeah. Nature. Room. Tree. Tree. Alright, see ya. Nature. Water.